Today I am going to show how to make this radial piston pump cam. Today I will make this cam and I will make assembly. Okay, let's start. Now just cancel it. Now go to new and choose part and click OK. Now choose front plane and click sketch. Now sketch a circle on this origin point, right click, select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it 70 mm, click enter and just click again. Sketch a circle on this point and right click, select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it 40 mm, click enter. Now just click OK. Go to choose the line, sketch line from this point to this, right click, select OK. Similarly, sketch or another line from this point to this point, right click and select OK. Now just click on this line and press shift key and click on this line. Just choose this, make tangent. Similarly, just cancel it. Similarly, select this line and press shift key and select this circle and choose this tangent. OK. Again click on this line, press shift key and click on this circle and choose this make tangent. Similarly, just click on this line, press shift key and click on this line and choose this make tangent. Just select OK. Now just choose trim this and this and this and just click again this and click OK. Now go to smart dimension, make it this 30 mm, click enter. OK and right click and select OK. Now go to feature and click extrude boss, make it 20 mm, choose blind and just select OK. Now again select this face and sketch. Now sketch circle, choose this center point, just this is our center point, click and right click and select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, make it 20 mm, click enter. Now go to right click and select OK. Go to feature, click extrude boss, make it 60 mm, make it 100 mm, click enter and just select OK. Now see. Now select this face and click sketch. Now just choose this center line, sketch center line, this point to this and right click, select OK. Just go to this, choose line, sketch line from this point to this point to this, right click, select OK. Go to smart dimension, make this point to this 1 millimeter. Just similarly this point to this 1 millimeter. Click enter. Just drag it and just select this and select convert entity. Trim entity, just trim this. Okay. Now see. Now go to smart dimension, make it 30 millimeter. Click enter. Oh, so sorry. Just delete this. Just choose this 3 millimeter. Click enter. Okay. Now go to feature, choose extrude cut. Choose this 20 millimeter. Click enter. 30 will be better. Click OK. Now see. Now go to this linear pattern, choose circular pattern and select this direction and select this and choose feature and face. This is our feature and face. Just click. I will make this to a left and just select OK. Now see. Our cam is ready. Okay. I will make complete assembly in the next tutorial. If you want to know how to assemble this, please subscribe to my channel to get new design and new projects. Thank you for watching.